Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone unavailable with no timer issue. You can check 3 solutions here. Solution 1. Fix iPhone unavailable with no timer via iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to the computer and make it enter recovery mode. Open iTunes on your computer. You got the prompt to ask you update or restore the iPhone. Click Restore. Click Restore and Update to confirm. iTunes is downloading the firmware package and restoring the iPhone to factory settings. Your iPhone has been restored to factory settings. And it restarts on the Hello screen. That is to say, the iPhone unavailable screen with no timer issue is fixed. Solution 2. Fix iPhone unavailable with no timer issue with iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius. First, you should get iTunes installed on the computer. iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius is designed to remove iPhone various types of lock screen. It can help fix the iPhone unavailable screen no timer issue and restore it to factory settings. Just download it on the official website, then install it on the computer. Now open the software. Click Unlock Lock Screen option. Hit the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the computer. It is better to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Click the Next button. Download firmware. Well, check the note message. Then click Unlock to remove the iPhone unavailable lock screen. Just wait for minutes. Your iPhone unavailable screen disappears. Wonderful! Solution 3. Fix iPhone unavailable with no timer and computer. Get another iOS device and open Find My app. Then sign in the same Apple ID account and password. Now open Find My again. Now you can choose your unavailable iPhone from devices list. Swipe up and choose Erase this device. Click the Continue button. Hit the Erase button. OK, it needs the Apple ID password for confirmation. See, the unavailable iPhone is being erased. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.